These are my birds. Tweety, Mary Jane. I got them from my beautiful girlfriend. Thank you, baby. This is their cage. Well, I took that off so they could come out. But here's your cage. That's what it looks like. This is a water dispenser. Food bowl over here. Food bowl over there. Cracker. This right here is Timothy hay. And the brown stuff is cedar bedding. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you've seen it before. There's a cedar. And this is the Timothy hay. I use this to nest, and that just looks cool and smells good, so I put it in there. They got toys to climb on and chew, and yeah. Just let them fly around the house. And they're not very people friendly. They don't like me. I don't know why. I didn't do anything to them. Let's see if Tweety. She's gonna fly away. They're both females. Tweety. Oh, there's Mary Jane. Well, why'd you just do that? Why'd you go all the way? Well, yep, those are my birds. That's their setup. And goodbye.